Simply Sweeney.
Hello and welcome to On Air with Simply Sweeney. मेरे सारे दोस्तों को Simply Sweeney का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। चाहे आप अपने घर में हैं या sitting in your car, अगले 1 घंटे के लिए अपने रेडियो या इंटरनेट से मत जाना फार। अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी बांधकर हो जाओ तैयार, क्योंकि दिस शो विल बी फुल ऑन मस्ती। मेरे साथ स्टूडियो में है वेगस की जानी मानी हस्ती, लेकिन करने से पहले कोई भी शुभ काम लेते हैं हम भगवान का नाम। तो दोस्तों, the first song that I'm going to play for you is called Deva Shri Ganesha from the movie Agnipath. ये तो सारे जानते हैं कि अग्निपथ is a remake of old movie also named Agnipath. लेकिन क्या आप जानते हैं कि गणेश आचार्य, the choreographer in this Agnipath, was seen as a group dancer in the earlier Agnipath. And also, ladies and gentlemen, the poetry in the old Agnipath was written by Shri Harivansh Rai Bachchan, who is the father of Amitabh Bachchan. So, ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy Deva Shri Ganesha.
Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha, Deva Shri Ganesha.
Simply Sweeney.
And welcome back to Simply Sweeney. Before I go any further, a word for our sponsoring partners. Dr. and Mrs. Alok and Manisha Saxena, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. अब बात करते हैं हमारे आज के थीम की, वैलेंटाइंस डे, जो कि दुनिया भर में मनाया जाता है एज अ सिंबल ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप एंड एज अ सिंबल ऑफ लव। और इसी थीम को ध्यान में रखते हुए आई हैव इनवाइटेड 2 couples as guests on this show who are my friends and are very much deeply in love with each other. My first couple are very close to my heart. Even after being together for 23 years and married for 15, they seem to be in love like they met yesterday. Wonderful people, and it's an honor to know them personally. Mr. and Mrs. Ashok and Supriya Mirchandani. Hello, and thank you for being on my show.
Thank you, Sweeney. Hello, how are you?
I'm okay.
Namaskar.
I hope I'm not making you fall asleep.
No, not at all. It's so wonderful being here. Thank you
Okay.
for having us.
Did I get your ears right?
Yes.
I did?
Yes,
Perfect.
perfectly.
I think I know you guys too well. Okay, time to introduce my next guest this evening. They have been married for 3 years and known each other for 7. They're also very good friends of mine, very lively and very pleasant couple. And they look so good together. Mr. and Mrs. Sunny and Jetun Ghai. Hi, you guys. How are you? Welcome to my show.
Thanks for having us, Sweeney.
Oh my
Hi,
God.
how are you?
I'm good. It's my pleasure. Thank you for being on this show.
It's so-
Hi,
a pleasure to be
Sweeney.
here.
Hi, Jet and Sunny.
Hi, Priya.
How are you?
Hi, Ash.
Hello.
You have a number of years ahead of us, but hopefully we'll become that side of the table one day.
Yes, surely you'll make it. You'll
Well,
make it.
you guys know why you're on my show, right? Because एक तरफ मेरे है experience और दूसरी तरफ मेरे है the young couple who have just started their journey together. So I'm sure you guys will have a lot to talk. Before I move on, अब हम लोग क्योंकि बात कर रहे हैं friendship की, I have to play this first request of mine that I got way before I announced this show. This request came from all the way from Kolkata and Delhi. It's from Supriya's gang. And this song is about friendship. जब बात करते हैं friendship के गानों की, तो of course सबके जहन में जो एक गाना आता है वो है ये दोस्ती from Sholay. So this is the song requested by Alok, Preeta, Manoj, Keshav, Anand, Siddharth, Manish, Naveen, Parvati from Kolkata, Rishi and Pradeep from Delhi, and from Vegas, of course, Supriya herself. So, ladies and gentlemen, dosto, enjoy the song Ye Dosti.
Simply Sweeney.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back in conversation with Ashok, Supriya, Sunny, and Jet. I think I will start my questions with Ashok and Supriya as they are our experienced couple over here.
Oh, man.
So let me ask this question to Ashok Priya. Ashok Priya, what do you think has changed between you and Priya in these 23 years?
Wow, that's a good one.
सबसे पहले तो आपके श्रोता गणों को प्रेम दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Very nice. I'm very impressed, honey.
He must have Googled it.
और 23 साल में हम कैसे चेंज हो गए हैं.
हाँ जी.
हम 23 साल में और भी प्यार में खो गए हैं.
आप एक दूसरे को मिलते भी हैं कि खोए रहते हैं?
नहीं, ऐसा है, मिलते तो रोज हैं, देखते भी एक दूसरे को रोज हैं. The scope changes, the priorities change, the kind of love changes. It becomes more of an emotional attachment, and then the kids come into the scene, and then the kids become a part of your life. And then the focus changes, but the underlying love and the underlying feelings remain the same.
Very good. That's because probably this is how you guys had a love marriage, right?
That's true.
So do you think if you had an arranged marriage, it would have stayed the same? You know why I'm asking you this question, because I had an arranged marriage.
I'm pretty sure.
I can say what didn't happen, but, but I can say that I think it depends upon the chemistry between a husband and a wife, and a lot of that is based on what your values are and what your principles are and how you see life.
Perfect. Sunny, let me ask you the same question. In last 3 years, do you think you guys have changed?
On what sense? Like
Just as in relationship.
actually, tell you the truth, if we became better friends than we were before.
And you guys also had love marriage.
You can call it's kind of mixture.
Jet, what do you think about it?
In terms of changing in the last 3 years,
Uh-huh.
absolutely. I think we've grown more than what we've known each other from 3 years ago or even 5 years ago.
You think Sunny has grown too, or just you?
As an individual, absolutely. He has his inner child inside, but still has become an adult now.
मैं उस child को नहीं खोना चाहता.
No, absolutely. I think we all need to.
That's what makes me who I am.
Of course. Very nice. And since both of you, or both the couples, had love marriages, any opposition from the families? Let me ask Priya first.
Oh, yes. Opposition to the extent of taking me away from Kolkata, where I was born and brought up, so that I could be separated from him, and my parents thought I would forget him over a period of time. And, that didn't happen, you know. And
Very obviously so.
our love sustained.
I think the opposition was from me. It took her 13 years to convince me. to
Oh,
marry her.
stop it.
Well, I'm glad she said yes, or you said yes, whichever
She said
way.
yes. I just agreed.
Oh,
Okay.
come on.
How about you, Jet? Any opposition there?
I think every family, when it comes to their daughter, especially in our Indian families, if there's a gentleman that comes into the picture, their parents are always reluctant because they always are protecting their daughter throughout their whole life and upbringing. So I think it's natural for parents to feel opposition, and mine felt the same because they live in a different country. I came to Las Vegas, of all cities, and decided to introduce them to someone that they had no clue about. So of course I think there's opposition, but I think that's just a process. Once they accept it and after they meet the person, now that it's like every time I talk to them, it's like, how's Sunny? Where's Sunny? What's he doing? So, I think that's naturally being parents.
So they accepted and then met him, or met him and then accepted?
I met him and then accepted.
Nice. And how about you, Sunny? Was there any problems with your family with you marrying her?
Well, Sweeney, जैसे कि, like Jet said, every family have, and most of the time this thing comes up because of parents kind of have pre-planned movie in their mind that how they want their kids' life. So when the movie doesn't go according to their thoughts, there is always a little objections, whatever you want to call it, because they have, and especially in our culture, they want their daughter to be a doctor, engineers, this and that education. So when they go off track a little bit, it's like, this is not what I expected from you.
Of course.
So that things also apply on every step of the way in your life, till they realize that the kids are no longer 5 and 6 or 7. They are grown. But we are in a culture where we always going to have a respect for our parents.
Of course, and that
And even though we
shows-
know that we just have to find the humble way to let them know we are grown.
Of course, and it shows
Yes.
because both of you couples actually married after your parents said yes.
Oh,
you waited.
absolutely.
Like in your case,
Oh, I waited, from 91, that's the year we met, and we got married in 99. So 8
99.
years. But my parents said yes in the year 95. We got engaged in 96. It was a very long, drawn-out courtship, but it was so well worth it.
it was. I'm
It
sure.
was.
I'm sure. And
That's very glad to hear that. Congratulations, guys.
Thank
This
you.
is awesome
It
story.
makes it all
Especially
worthwhile.
it feels good for us to look at some ancient stories like you guys.
Excuse me, Sunny. Okay,
Wow.
I must remind Sunny, the reason I call them the older couple is
I'm
because
gonna
of
kill
their
you.
experience and not because of their age. Because I'm sure if I ever said that I'm calling them older because of their age, Ashok Bhaiya is going to kill me after this show. But friends, you do know I am coming back next week for the sake of Simply Sweeney. Spare my life, and I am calling you older as experience and not in age.
Oh my God.
बातें तो आप
I
लोगों
am-
से चलती रहेंगी. Let's get to our next song. This song is requested by grandparents for their newly born grandson, Shan Singh Cooper. First of all, congratulations to the Singh and the Cooper family, and welcome to the family, baby Cooper. Hear the song.
चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू जीती हूँ मैं बस तुझे देख के इस टूटे दिल का सहारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू तू खेले खेल गई मेरा खिलौना है तू तू खेले खेल गई मेरा खिलौना है तू जिससे बनती हर आशा मेरी मेरा सपना सलोना है तू नन्हा सा है कितना सुंदर है तू छोटा सा है कितना प्यारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू पुरवाई सूरज है तू
Simply Sweeney.
Welcome back, everybody. Dosto, we are in conversation with Ashok, Supriya, Sunny, and Jet. We will know more about their lives and about their journey together. There's one question I wanted to ask you. Ashok bhai, I'll start with you. There is a saying that no man is truly married until he understands every word his wife is not saying. Your thoughts?
ये किसने बोला तुमको?
There is a saying.
There's a saying that no man is married until he hears every word that his wife
Until
says.
he understands every word his wife is not saying. Do you think you understand Priya and what she wants without her saying that?
I think I do. मेरे ख्याल से मैं प्रिया की हर एक एक्शन को और हर एक एक्शन के पीछे जो भी रिएक्शन होता है वो सब मेरे को पता है, सब मैं समझ गया हूँ, सब मैंने देख लिया है.
सनी, आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Well, मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे को इस टॉपिक पे बड़े भाई के साथ एग्री होना पड़ेगा. As much as I don't want to, but that is true.
Okay, so you girls, you heard what your husbands had to say about this, right? So do you think, Jet, I'll start with you on this one. Do you think Sunny understands you and he knows everything that you want without your saying it? Or he just thinks that he knows?
Everything's a work in progress.
Smart answer.
Priya, what about you?
Well, I don't want to seem politically right. Most often than not, Ashok gets it. But ऐसा भी होता है जब मेरे को, I have to kind of choke him and tell him this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you. Can you understand? ऐसे भी
अच्छा,
होता
ऐसा
है
भी
हमारे
होता है,
बीच में।
कितनी बार होता है?
अभी ये
कम होता है लेकिन होता है.
ये भी आप कर लें, इमेजिन 6 फुट 2 आदमी को 5 फुट 6 लड़की चोक करती कैसे है?
5 फुट 6
heels के
Okay,
साथ.
let's see. तो आपको लगता है प्रिया की हाइट 5 फुट 6 है?
Well, that's a
5
compliment.
फुट 7 है, मैंने 6 बोल दिया गलती से.
With all my 4 inches heels, I guess.
अच्छा ये
गलती
बताओ.
हो गया, इंसान हूँ.
अच्छा, क्या आपको याद रहता है? Do you remember your anniversary every year? Or do you have to be reminded?
Every day. I don't remember it every year. I remember it every day, every hour, every
That's
second.
but the question is, do you remember the actual day of your anniversary and do you remember to wish her that morning?
I do. Every day, every time she has her anniversary.
She has her anniversary.
एक सेकंड मैंने बोला तो नहीं, मैंने ये तो नहीं बोला कि वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी. मैंने बोला क्या?
I am talking about wedding anniversary.
अच्छा, वेडिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ जी, वेडिंग की बात कर रही हूँ.
जहाँ तक वेडिंग का सवाल है तो मैं सुबह उठता हूँ 4:30 बजे.
अच्छा.
और मैं जो 4:30 बजे पहले मैं नहाता हूँ, फिर मैं करता हूँ पूजा, फिर मैं जाता हूँ ग्रोसरी स्टोर से मैं फूल लाता हूँ.
ये रोज की बात कर रहे हो कि वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी की
वेडिंग
बात कर रहे हो?
एनिवर्सरी के दिन की बात कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा, ठीक.
फिर मैं फूल ला करके ब्रेकफास्ट बनाता हूँ. ब्रेकफास्ट और फूल दोनों लेकर के प्रिया के पास में बेडरूम में जाता हूँ.
ये तो हो गया आपका ऑफिशियल आंसर. नाउ आई वांट
Exactly.
Let's get the truth out of you.
The truth of it is, and now the cat is out of the bag. Most often than not, we have a big family here in Vegas, all of you know. My parents, my sisters and brothers from out of the United States, सारे फ़ोन करने लगते हैं 1-2 दिन के पहले से ही कि क्या कर रहे हो, क्या प्लान्स है. तो इनको पता चल ही जाता है कि भाई कुछ तो है. एंड देन फिर बच्चे हैं, they start making their greeting cards and stuff for mommy and daddy. तो हो गया, सब पता चल गया. अशोक को तो he tries to pretend that मेरे को पता था, but
When is your
I am
anniversary, Ashok भैया?
कौन सी ये बताएं आप? वेडिंग की बात कर रहे हैं.
वेडिंग की बात कर रही हूँ.
कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं.
नहीं,
बहुत तरह की
you're
anniversary
buying
होती
time
है.
on this one, I can see, right? What do you guys think? He's buying time, right? Definitely thinking.
9th of February.
अच्छा, which
Wow!
वो कल है.
Congratulations,
वो कल
guys.
है.
Very well.
Congratulations, Ashok.
Congratulations,
Priya.
guys.
Thank you.
All
Happy
the
anniversary.
best wishes.
Thank you.
और आपने जो अभी कहा, प्लीज कल आप जाएं, बुके लेके आए, ब्रेकफास्ट बनाए और इनको ब्रेकफास्ट इन बेड दे. एंड उसके बाद प्रिया से तो मैं पूछ ही लूंगी कि ऐसा हुआ कि
और
नहीं.
नहीं आपको पूछना क्यों है? आप भी मेरे साथ आए. आप भी मेरे को
ब्रेकफास्ट
help
बनाने
करें,
के लिए.
breakfast
Of
बनाएं.
course you need the help. I know that for sure. But let me ask Jet, let me ask this to you. since you only had like what 3 anniversaries?
Two,
and
actually.
third is in this July, right?
Correct.
So did he forget or did he remember?
No, he remembered. Definitely remembered. We were actually in London last year. The first anniversary we were in London.
Okay, so he probably did remember because you were taking a trip for your anniversary. When is your anniversary? Wedding anniversary.
वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी ओके वो मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ भाई इसलिए मेरे को बहुत अच्छा एक मौका है कि आप अशोक जी से पूछते हैं पहले तो मेरे को थोड़ा टाइम मिल जाता है
मैं अगली बार से आपसे पहले पूछा
नहीं
करूंगी।
नहीं नहीं प्लीज दिस इज गोइंग वेरी वेल कीप द पेस
देखो
एनिवर्सरी है
experience
जुलाई
beats, हाँ।
16 2011
Very
एंड
good.
जो हमारी रिसेप्शन थी वो
हाँ।
17th of July
अच्छा वो हमने भी attend
हमने भी अटेंड की थी
अरे वाह।
हाँ हाँ बड़ी प्यारी वेडिंग थी
की। Very nice.
God bless.
So how many
Thank
times
you,
do you have
Priya.
to remind him?
I
कि
I
you
don't. I don't.
Really?
We're too. It's still young, right? A couple of years. When it gets to their time, 23, you have to.
Has it ever happened that he said June instead of July for your anniversary?
Absolutely.
See, I remember things. I was the witness to that. So stop giving me the official answers. Just tell the
you know
truth.
they both start with a J sometime it happens you know J Jet July June I mean come on it's the same thing
Of course.
it's not the same thing but we get you
लेकिन मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है स्वीनी
हाँ जी।
सिंपली स्वीनी
हाँ जी।
आपने ये मेरे को इन एक्सपीरियंस बोला ठीक है
मैंने आपको बिल्कुल इनएक्सपीरियंस नहीं बोला मैं तो आपको एक्सपीरियंस बोल रही हूँ हाँ
फिर
जी
आपने मेरे को बोला कि मैं ओल्डर हूँ
नहीं वो सनी ने बोला था और मैंने
आपने
वही
मेरे को
क्लियर की
बोला-
थी बात कि मैं आपको एज वाइज ओल्ड नहीं बोल रही हूँ
फिर
मैं
आपने मेरे को
experience पे बोल रही
बोला अशोक भैया
हूँ। Yeah, I
फिर
call you भैया, you know
फिर
that.
आपने मेरे को बोला फिर सनी ने बोला कि हम जब उस एज पे पहुंचेंगे ये क्या हो रहा है आप सिंपली स्वीनी में मेरा फोटो लगाएं अपनी वेबसाइट में लोगों को दिखाएं कि भाई साहब मैं 1971 में बॉर्न हुआ हूँ मैं अभी तो खाली 41 का हूँ
अरे बाबा 1971 I thought you were born in 1975 you don't look born in
वो और कोई
1971
बात है कि मैं लगता और भी जवान हूँ
आप बहुत जवान लगते हैं डोंट टेक इट ऑफेंसिव मैंने ये बात शुरू से क्लियर किया है और मैं एक बार दोबारा ये बात क्लियर करना चाहती हूँ अपने सारे दोस्तों को दे बोथ आर वेरी यंग कपल both of them are very young couple we have a baby in the house of course Jet is the baby in the house
Yes.
I don't know if Sunny would like me to tell the difference between Jet and Sunny's age so I will not go there but
no I don't have no problem actually but what I was gonna say कि आपके दर्शकों को और सुनने वालों को खुद मौका मिल जाएगा अशोक जी की एज देखने का क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है कि ये पिक्चर्स तो आपके वेबसाइट पे होंगी
होंगी
और
हमारे
साथ में-
वेबसाइट पे भी
तो वो
होंगी
जो जवान गबरू दिख रहे हैं
And I wish everybody could see us right now because he is wearing his aviators in the studio and he's looking handsome. No, he is.
Very Bollywood.
Very, very Bollywood. And बातें तो हम करते रहेंगे. As usual, time है हमारे अगले song का. This song has been requested by Raju Nathani for his wife Neena Nathani from Henderson, Nevada. And the song is called Agar Tum Na Hote. Please take a listen.
हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती अगर तुम न होते अगर तुम न होते हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती अगर तुम न होते अगर तुम न होते अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते।
तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, मेरी जिंदगी का तुम ही आसरा हो। तुम्हें क्या बताऊं कि तुम मेरे क्या हो, मेरी जिंदगी का तुम ही आसरा हो। मैं आशा की लड़ियां न रह पिरोती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते। हमें और जीने की चाहत न होती, अगर तुम न होते, अगर तुम न होते।
Simply Sweeney.
Welcome back, dosto. We are in conversation with Ashok, Supriya, Sunny, and Jet. Before I go any further, a word of thanks for our sponsoring partners, Dr. and Mrs. Alok and Manisha Saxena. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. अब मैं आप लोगों को एक शेर सुनाती हूँ. अशोक भैया और सनी, आप जरा ध्यान से सुने. प्यार शब्दों का मोहताज नहीं होता, दिल में हर किसी के राज नहीं होता. क्यों इंतज़ार करते हैं सभी वैलेंटाइंस डे का, क्या साल का हर दिन प्यार का हकदार नहीं होता? सनी, योर थॉट्स ऑन इट.
अशोक जी, I prefer you take the lead.
I guess I told Sunny that I will do this, so he was ready with his answer. आपका thought on this, अशोक भैया?
मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि हम सब बन गए हैं रोबोट्स. हमें वैलेंटाइंस डे प्यार का एहसास करवाने के लिए वैलेंटाइंस डे चाहिए. प्यार तो हमारे अंदर है.
अरे वाह.
हमें तो रोज ही एवरी सेकंड प्यार करना चाहिए. एवरी सेकंड प्यार का एहसास करना चाहिए. एवरी सेकंड हमें अपने चाहने वालों को याद करना चाहिए.
अशोक जी,
अपने चाहने वालों को कि जिनको आप चाहते?
दोनों.
अच्छा, तो करिए ऑन एयर लाइव विद सिंपली स्वीनी अपने प्यार का इजहार.
प्रिया, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ.
अशोक जी, वाह.
एक्शन के साथ.
Action के साथ. I wish everybody could see this right now, but Sunny, over to you.
I 110% agree.
Okay.
मैं अशोक जी के साथ बिल्कुल सहमत हूँ इस बात पे, क्योंकि it should not wait for a particular day or any date, any occasion to express. Every day, I am firm believer. और आप यहाँ बैठे या आप मुझसे जज से भी पूछ सकते हो कि मेरा यही है. Everyday life, live life to the extreme. So that is include everything. That is your birthday, that is New Year, that is your anniversary, that is your Valentine Day. जब लाइफ को आप रोज़ जीने की कोशिश करते हो तो हर दिन एक बहुत प्यारा दिन बन जाता है.
That's beautifully said, Sunny.
Sunny, that's very nice. And since I know you very well, I know that you sing very well. Do you want to sing a couple lines for Jet?
This I did not see this coming, but
Well,
Oh
some
my
things I
gosh.
have to keep in my bag.
चलो
right?
भाषा बोले.
How sweet is that?
अब मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रही कि मैं गाऊं क्या.
आप जेट का फेवरेट गाना गा दीजिए.
मेरे को ये लगता है कि दिस इज काइंड ऑफ बूबी ट्रैप.
देखो अब मेरे को यहाँ से क्वेश्चन आने वाला है कि स्वीनी तुमने मुझे क्यों नहीं बोला गाना गाने के लिए. आप भी ये गाना तैयार रखिए क्योंकि the next is coming to you.
No. मेरे को listeners पे रहम आ
Tough guys
जाएगा.
don't sing.
Okay, Sunny, we are still waiting
Still waiting for song.
for your song.
अरे बाप
अभी
रे
जैसे अशोक भैया ने अपने प्यार का इजहार किया, प्रिया को बोला अगर आप गाना नहीं गाना चाहते,
हाँ जी.
हालांकि आपको पता है जेट का कौन सा सॉन्ग
जेट को सभी पसंद
नहीं,
है.
सनी को तो गाना चाहिए.
आई
अरे
नो यू
वाह.
I request that too.
अशोक जी आपका
voice.
बॉडीगार्ड और अटर्नी अब मेरे को
Just a couple
गिरवा के
lines. Just a couple lines, Sunny.
कम ऑन सनी.
तुझे देखा तो ये जाना सनम
हाय हाय.
प्यार होता है दीवाना सनम. I think दर्शकों
Very
को
nice.
बहुत
Very
Very
nice,
nice.
Sunny. Thank you so much. Ladies, don't think you are off the hook.
Oh goodness.
No, you are not. So, Priya, let me ask this to you first. आपको इतने प्यार से अशोक भैया ने बोला, प्रिया, I love you. आप उसका कोई जवाब देना चाहेंगी?
अब I love you का जवाब तो I love you too, honey.
कोई गाने में?
Oh goodness. Okay, I knew that was coming. जब सनी से पूछा तो I got it. I'll sing Ashok's favorite song and just a little bit, like, because I mean mess up the words. जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा. न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा.
Very nice.
very
Perfect,
you.
Priya.
Very nice.
Thank you. And इससे पहले कि मैं इन लोगों से और सवाल पूछूं, let me get straight to our next request. It's from Purbasha Banerjee from Henderson, Nevada. This is for someone special, and I hope that someone special is listening. And this special song is for you. Song is called Saans Mein Teri from the movie Jab Tak Hai Jaan. Take a listen.
सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई. सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई.
रूह ने छू ली जिस्म की खुशबू, तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई.
welcome back. Dosto, in conversation with Ashok Supriya, Sunny and Jed. And this part of the show, which I have been waiting for, is a rapid fire. It will be the girls answering questions about the boys.
Oh my goodness. I'm not good at that kind of stuff at all.
You are in relationship for 23 years. I'm sure you'll be fine.
Oh, no.
You should know the answer,
Yeah,
Supriya.
oh, goodness. Now, yes, put some
However-
more pressure on me, okay, guys? Put some more pressure.
I had, just to let you know, I had made Ashok and Sunny write their answers before the show started. And I hope you guys didn't cheat. Though I didn't really leave you guys alone to do that. But no texting, I hope.
No, my phone is somewhere.
Okay,
I don't
good.
even know where my
I hope
phone
they
is.
get them wrong.
Right or wrong?
Both. Just like Spanglish, English.
Okay. So it is going to be a rapid fire. You need to give me the answer right away.
Jet
you
goes
cannot.
first. Jet will go first.
Oh, I'm competitive, Supriya. I'm
Okay.
just telling you right
Okay,
now.
you
Okay,
go on.
whichever. I can see. Jet. I will ask you questions again. Rapid fire. You have to give me the answer right away. You cannot think about it. Well, for a second maybe, and then I have the sheets in my hand to compare your answers. I will tell you after you're done. That how many you got right or how many you got wrong. The one thing I did want to mention is that this is not a competition. It's all in fun. Nobody is a loser because
mean I don't get a
everybody wins on Simply Sweeney.
I don't get a prize?
Well, you do get a prize, but both of you will.
Okay.
Nice. I
Ashok
take
ji.
that any day.
I think इनको प्राइज मिलने वाला है. हम तो यहाँ सिर्फ ड्राइवरी करने आए.
आप लोगों की बारी भी आएगी. Don't worry. I'll catch you guys later.
Oh, wow. I'll wait for that.
Yes, and those will be some questions. So be ready. Anyways, Jet, without sounding too much like KBC, your time starts now. Sunny's favorite food.
He likes to eat everything. So, True Punjabi Saag,
Favorite movie.
007.
Favorite color.
Wow.
White,
No way.
Best friend.
his dad.
One thing that he's obsessed with.
Sci-fi movies, aliens.
Oh my
Gosh.
God. She's really good if she's getting all
Well,
the-
I'm not telling you if she's right or wrong, so we'll find out if she's good
She's
or not.
she's so confident.
Okay. If you have a fight, who makes up first?
Oh, good one.
You don't have time. Rapid fire,
Oh my
Jen.
goodness. Oh, it's both of us. Sometimes we both come together.
Okay. And
We don't fight, Sweeney. Come on. We're only 2.5 years married. Honeymoon
That's why the
phase.
problem came up.
Okay, one habit of his that you would like to change.
Oh, that's a hard one. Nothing bothers me about him.
Let's
see.
How
Yeah,
It's
again,
only 3 years.
Yeah, it's
or
only
2 and
3
a
years.
half.
Exactly.
Wait till you're in your
Technically
15th year.
Can I
you know.
pass? Let's go to the next question. I'll come back.
No, there's no next question. This is the last one.
Oh.
Sorry.
What do you
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh. Oh, poker, probably. Gambling. But I wouldn't.
Okay, I'll take that.
Okay.
I'll take that answer. You did very well, Jet.
Of course I did.
I will tell you. I will tell you how many you got wrong, or if any you got wrong, after we play with Priya. So Priya,
God,
on,
I'm
Priya,
going to
you could do it.
totally suck at this. No.
are you
But
ready?
I'll try. Okay.
Okay. So, Ashok Priya's favorite food.
Dal chawal.
Okay, favorite movie.
Sholay.
Okay.
Hindi wala.
Hindi wala favorite movie. Favorite color.
Blue. Royal blue.
Okay, best friend.
Oh my God, you're getting me on this one. He has a few very good friends who will all be
might be
listening,
listening.
to the. Yes, they have all promised to listen to, and they are in India.
Okay.
Most of them.
If you have to name one.
But amongst them, they're all very close to his heart, and they'll do and die for each other. But I think Aftab.
Okay.
I'll take Aftab.
One thing that he's obsessed with.
His phone. That has to be the answer.
Okay. If you have a fight, who makes up first?
Me, for sure.
I'm laughing because
Yep.
I know his answer.
Yep.
Okay. One habit of his that you would like to change.
His coming to the house. I mean, as soon as he walks into the house, he wants everything in the house to be in its place. and we have 2 kids. So that ain't happening. And, well, that's something I would like him to change.
Okay. All right. I guess
Oh,
we
God.
have the
How did I
results. You both did good. You both, as I said, there are no winners or losers in this show. But I guess Jet only got 1 wrong.
Wow.
You got more wrong than Jet. I will not tell how many.
But
anyways,
congratulations,
You
Jen.
got wrong.
Good job, you guys. I'm very proud of you. And before, I think we have time for one last song that I can slip in. And this song is for my dear husband who is in India right now. This song is our song. The song that we used to listen, or he used to listen when during our courtship period. And I hope you're listening, Janu. I love you. Hope you feel better soon and come back soon. And you guys, the song is called Tera Chehra. Take a listen.
Simply Sweeney.
Welcome back, you guys. Thank you so much for being here on my show tonight. Before I close the show, I would like to thank my guests, Ashok, Supriya, Sunny, and Jet. It was fun talking with you tonight, fun catching up, and thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having us. We had so much fun, Sweeney. This was great fun.
And also, I just wanted to make a few points. I firstly would like to congratulate you, Sweeney,
Thank you.
for doing this show. It takes a lot of effort and a lot of time in putting all this together. But this is a good thing.
You know, I couldn't have done it without your support, right?
It's never me. It's you. It's your passion that makes you do all this.
It was your
I'm
idea.
very, very
Thank you.
happy for you. That's one. Secondly, I know I owe it to Priya to say I like dal chawal, but right now I'm feeling like lamb chops.
Okay, got it.
Thank you, Sweeney. Ashok, Supriya, very nice to be here. And
Thank you, same
I
here.
appreciate Sweeney for having us and pick us for your very first day. We will
Of
wish you
course.
all the best. And
Thank
we are
you.
supporting you 110%.
Thank you.
It's been a true honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Jet. And before I close, दोस्तों आपसे तो यही मुलाकात होती रहेगी every Saturday 4 to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on 12:30 a.m. or www.klnv1230am.com. लेकिन अगर आप शाम को मुझे वैलेंटाइंस डे की पार्टी पे मिल रहे हैं at the Riviera Golf Club, तो आप सबसे वहाँ मुलाकात होगी. And if you are not planning to be there, trust me, it's going to be a fun party. Please make sure you make your way up there. If you need any further information, you can contact Ali Lakhani at 702-858-9405. We'll see you next week. Enjoy.
Simply Sweeney.